Hello class. Today we're going to be learning about nouns. We're going to go over what a noun is and basically how to use it in a sentence. So this is for second grade students in writing. And then my name is Jessie Romano, so I'll be teaching this lesson today. So like I just said, by the end of this lesson, you guys will be able to understand what a noun is and be able to use it in a sentence. So in the next few slides, I'm going to break down what a noun is so then you guys can use it in a sentence. So what is a noun? So a noun is basically a person, a place, or a thing. So a person can be anything from your mom, your dad, your sister. A place can be anywhere you go. So here it's the hospital, school, and then a thing is basically any object that's around you. So like I was just saying, nouns as people. So I wrote down a few examples here. A teacher, a mom, firefighter, sister, and then I use an example of an actual person's name, Ryan. So then now we're going to learn about nouns as places. So a noun can be, like I said earlier, a hospital, a school, a zoo, really any place that you can go. And then nouns as things. So this could be, like I said earlier, a lamp, a cup, a pencil, a bike, a telephone, anything that you can really just pick up. Then what is the noun in this sentence? So I just kind of want to go over a few practice problems so you guys can kind of get a hang of it before I send you guys off by yourself. So what is the noun in this sentence? The alarm clock went off in the morning. So I'm going to give you guys a few seconds. So the answer would be alarm clock. So the alarm clock went off in the morning. So basically, the alarm clock is a thing, so it is a noun in the sentence. So I'm going to give you another practice problem. Chick-fil-A is the name of what? So I'm going to give you guys a few seconds. It's either going to be a person or a place. So if you guys guessed, it is a place. So I'm going to leave you guys with one final thing. I'm going to have you guys do a time pair share. So with a shoulder partner, whenever I release you guys, grab a whiteboard and a marker and write down 10 examples of nouns. So this can be an example of a person, place, or a thing, and then choose one of those nouns and use it in a sentence. And then we're going to present later on to the class. And then one last thing, just to cite my sources here, I used Screencast-O-Matic to record this, and that was it. So thank you guys for watching.